Hi friends, welcome to day 38 of 100 Days of Pockets. Today is a layered tag pocket. You can see here that I used 2 tags to create this really pretty pocket. Please be sure to check out Cindy A. Lewis. She is the host of this collaboration, and I am collaborating along with her every day until we get to day 100. Today you will need 2 tags. I'm beginning with 2 plain white tags. You can start with any tags you want. They can be already completed tags. However, that being said, for your bottom tag, you want that to be flat. So it can be decorated already, but you want that to be flat. Your upper tag can have all sorts of things on it if you'd like. So definitely 2 tags. The other things that you're going to need are maybe some scrap paper or ephemera, glue, tape, a hole punch, and ribbon if you'd like to. You don't have to do a hole punch and ribbon. Mine already came with a hole in it, so I will probably go ahead and use ribbon. Both of my tags are the same size, and the instructions say to use a larger tag and a smaller tag. And yes, I do feel that that would be accurate. But I thought I'd go ahead and be creative and just simply cut the bottom of this one off. And then we'd even have like this scalloped edge here to create the pocket. I've got them cut, and before I move forward, I am going to go ahead and ink the edges of this. I'm just going to grab my ink pad and do it real quick around the edges. So this has rounded corners here, as you can see. I am going to go ahead and round these corners. Now I'm going to put some glue around 3 of the edges. I'm adhering the small one over top of the tall one. I'm going to add some embellishments, and I really like the way that this one fits on here. However, this part at the top goes right over the hole, and I don't want any glue to interfere with anything. So I will use the smaller one. I really wish I could use the top one though. You know what? I'm gonna use the top one because that's what I want to do. But we're going to fix our problem before we get this glued on there. I'm going to take a piece of Scotch tape, not too big, and I'm going to slide it under the pocket, and the sticky side is face up. That way I can use this really pretty pink piece, and I won't have to worry about the glue going through. So this is a sticker, and it already has some stick on it, and you might be able to tell because it keeps sticking to my finger, but I am going to add more because this was given to me, which was so nice, but I don't know how old it is and how long that stick will last. So I just added a little bit more. Make sure I got it centered. I added 2 dots of gem tack to this tag. If you've never heard of gem tack, I highly recommend it for flatbacks and things like that. It's really, really good. To my knowledge, since I've been using it, none of the things that I've glued down with it have come loose. So I do recommend it. All right, my friends, I have picked up a bridge tally sheet, and I am going to slide that right into this cute, easy pocket. And now I'm going to see if I have some bright colored lace or ribbon or trim. I found some purple trim. I wasn't able to find any bright fuchsia, but I think the purple's going to work fine because we used purple to ink the edges. And there we are, my friends. I hope you enjoyed day 38 of 100 Days of Pockets, the layered tag pocket. Please be sure to check out Cindy A. Lewis and see what she came up with today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.